Almost everything. 84. Hey guys, Dan is Almost Everything 84, and today I'm reviewing a sound sleep machine. Manual's pretty straightforward. Couple easy instructions to setting the clock, controlling the volume, connecting the power. Couple options on power. It does use a little micro USB input on the back, but it goes into it comes with an AC adapter that it plugs into, or you could just plug the USB in as long as it's putting out enough power. It also could run on 4 AA batteries as well. The machine itself, and right now I have it on birds, it's pretty cool, pretty primitive and straightforward to what settings you'd like. Rain, white noise, brown noise, thunder. Turn the volume up a bit. Typhoon. Ocean. And there's 2 lullabies. Then there's the brook. And back to the birds. We'll lower that for a second. Now the clock, it only goes into 24-hour mode from what I could tell. I could not figure out a way to switch that, which is fine with me. But to set the clock, it's easy. You just hold the mode down for 3 seconds, and then you use this toggle switch up here to change the minutes and hours. As you can see, it's labeled. Power button's right here. Volume right there. Batteries in the back. It's got little rubber feet so you don't scratch the furniture. Speaker is directed up right here. And overall the acoustics, it's not bad. Is it like a Bose wave machine or no, but it gets the job done, and it gets really loud. I mean, I'm definitely way louder than you would need. You have to push the volume, you can't hold it. Loud enough for a bedroom, and it doesn't even distort at the maximum. So I hope this gives you a little idea of the sound machine here. Feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching. One feature I skipped over is the timer. You could press the timer, 15, 30, minute 30, or just on, always, as well, and it'll count down. If I hit 15, it'll blink a couple times, and there you go. It'll count down from that. If you mess with the time, though, the actual clock, you have to redo the timer. Self-explanatory. And also the backlight will go on anytime you hit a function as well.